Hi everyone, this is Jasper from SinoGen. In this video, I will introduce Shanghai MHI S12R-PTAA2-C generator drive engine. Shanghai MHI S12R-PTAA2-C generator drive engine is a V12 engine with 49.03 liter displacement. The overall dimensions of Shanghai MHI S12R-PTAA2-C generator drive engine is 2520 mm by 1435 mm by 1978 mm, and the net weight is about 5,300 kg. Shanghai MHI S12R-PTAA2-C generator drive engine comes with Mitsubishi high-pressure fuel pump and the electric governor, and equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The rated engine prime power is 1277 kg at 1500 RPM rated speed, which can drive 1200 kg prime power generator set at 50 Hz frequency. The full loaded fuel consumption is about 317 per hour. The standard Shanghai MHI S12R-PTAA2-C generator drive engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, fuel filter, flywheel, turbocharger, charging alternator, starter motor, oil filter. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SinoGen at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.sino-gen.com.